Hi everyone, Imran here with another video on how to enable developer options on the Samsung Galaxy A32. The method is same for all Samsung phones running Android. So by default the developer options is hidden in settings. You need to enable it. Developer mode is needed for OEM unlock, USB debugging if you are planning to root your phone or flash a custom ROM or custom recovery. Then you need to enable developer options on your device. First of all, go to settings, then about phone, then software information. Now find build number and tap on it for about 7 times. Developer mode has been enabled. Now go back. Now as you can see, developer option is now visible. Now there are multiple options within the developer options like memory, how much RAM is used in last 3 hours, 12 hours or a day. Desktop backup password. This will encrypt your backups with passwords if you enable this. Stay awake. This option, if you enable this, it will not let your phone sleep. The screen will not go black. OEM unlock, bootloader unlock needed if you want to root or flash custom recovery on your device. The auto update system, if you want to disable this, you can disable. USB debugging, used when you are trying to flash custom ROM or recovery using Odin. Now, show refresh rate. This shows the current refresh rate of your screen. As you can see, 90 Hz. That's it. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.